It's time to stop buying shitty EVs and get yourself a Datsun. This is a 1973 Datsun 240Z. And just like all of our videos, this one is a unique, finished in a beautiful emerald green. This 1973 Z has gone through a complete restoration, done here by California Datsun, and we are extremely excited to bring it to you. So we'll go over the car like we always do, but to be a little bit different this time, we'll start off with the gorgeous interior. This is in a what we call a camel color, kind of a play on Datsun's old butterscotch interior with the green paint. Original gauges, but we put some LED bulbs in there so you can see those nice and bright. Got some undercarriage lighting down there. All leather interior, custom armrest, beautiful leather wrapped console. Look at that headliner. Matches all the inlay of the seats with the embroidered Z logo. Got some nice speakers down there. Some more business in the back here. 6x9 speakers. All the plastics have been recovered in leather. Steering wheel's been restored. Brand new horn button, brand new dash. Check out these door panels. So remember, we're the designer and the builder, but we let you make all the choices. So we can go and be as wild as you want or as mild as you want. But let's take a look at what powers this beautiful Z. Pop the hood open here. Check this out. Stand back for a minute and let you appreciate that piece of jewelry. L28 motor, obviously a beautiful set of triple Webers. Nice powder coated valve cover, electronic ignition, champion radiator, all new wiring. It's got a Wheelwood master cylinder. Nice new coil. No air conditioning in this one, which is rare. The majority of our cars do get air conditioned, but this one did not. Got some beautiful LED headlights here. Got those brand new horns and wiring in the front, along with a refinished grille. One of the things we're doing now is rhino lining the underside of the hood, which protects the other side from any heat damage. Come around the other side, take a look. Again, gorgeous engine bay, runs as good as it looks. All the attention to detail there. Got a polished Canon intake manifold. Just gorgeous. You got this beautiful emerald green paint. It's getting a little dark now, but it's hard to tell the shade of it, but trust me, it's a beautiful green. I guess you can kind of see some of it there. Re-chrome the front bumpers. Got LED bulbs inside the side marker lights. Beautiful conic wheels with our custom chip foose design center caps. Got some new brakes hiding behind there. Beautiful Yokohama tires. Of course, all of our Brightworks polished, just like every Z that we do with our California Datsun mirrors. Every car we get gets a new set of door handles. This client chose for a rear disc brake conversion, so you got that in there. Unique LED tail lights, as well as the European version of that. And then, of course, kind of hard to see, but all the undercarriage is just as clean. Got a custom-made exhaust, Borla muffler, so that looks great. So anyway, if this is something that you would like to get a quote on, or you got a Z that you want to get restored, or maybe you started one that you can't finish and you want to talk to us about getting your 240 rebuilt, restored, restomodded, whatever you call it. My name is Al Allen, and I am the owner here at California Datsun, and I'd be happy to take your call, show you around some of the options we have here, let you take a look at all the detail of this beautiful 240Z. Man, I like this one a lot, actually. It'd be tough to let this one go. But it's going home to San Diego, I believe. So it's a local customer. Might be spending some time up in Northern California too, I understand. This one was really rough when we got it. We actually wound up having to use a donor car. It was in such poor shape, but looks great now. Runs great. Sounds great. Again, California Datsun is our business. We do this all day, every day. My name is Al Allen, which you never get to see me. There I am. That's me. I'm a real guy. I'm the owner. Love to talk to you about your build. Give me a call, and you can check us out on CaliforniaDatsun.com. Thanks for watching.